finishing touches on this match.
But a Lesnar who's fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading away. They have a man for themselves. Roman Reigns. KO by Orton. Unbelievable resurrection for the Undertaker. Sunday, every man for himself. KO. Rollins with a stop to Lesnar.
Oh my God.
John Cena. Is he going to deliver sweet? Wow, what a helmet! He's knocked down.
On the move.
He is John Cena. They can do this. Oh, and Reigns. KO by Orton. Unbelievable. You gotta be kidding me. How did he do it? And Rose. On the outside, top boot up here. Here it comes! Oh my God! Oh my God! Are you ready for this Sunday night when WWE Champ John Cena defends his title in the WWE Super Slam? Unbelievable. You gotta be kidding me! How did he do it? And Rose. On the outside, top boot up here. So I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going